So the J6 is such a versatile little instrument, right? Because we've got this 1-octave keyboard, which when I don't have chord mode activated, I can just play it like a little keyboard, like a little piano. And play it with chords, play it in melodies, however I like. And the next part that we all start thinking is, okay, when I turn on this J6, it has a nice set of chords. If I turn on chord, for example, and start playing, we get these preset chords, which they label them as pop chords. And you can access the chords set list, which I'll put below in the description of this video. But if you want to, you can access 100 different chord banks. And this is crazy because then it starts getting insane when you're talking about ideation. So what we're going to do is hit shift. And as we know, maybe from the T8 or one of the other Roland AIRA Compacts, is as soon as we hit shift, we start accessing these words underneath the key. So we also activate the octave plus and minus buttons, which are really handy. But I'm going to go here, instead of accessing these, I'm going to go all the way to genre over here. And you'll see in the top left corner, I get P001. And I can really start playing around here and listen to the different chords. Just open the filter a little bit more. So a totally different set of chords, and you might find that you really like that particular pattern bank. Again, check out the description because that's where the chord set list will be, and you can actually see theoretically what those chords are. But since a lot of electronic musicians use the oral process where we just listen and find chords that we like, you can also just do that. Just go, oh, that's cool. I like that one, or I don't like that one. And yeah, to make your decisions in that way. For those who would like to know a simple way to use a diatonic chord progression, I guess, or the standard chord progression of a C major scale, go to P007. So there it is, P007, and then you can just dial through and explore. Again, check out the chord set list to know exactly what those are. There's some really cool different ones. Remember, flashing lights means I've got to do something or get out. So in this case, I'm going to hit the chord button to get back to my main playing sort of space. There I go.